HGOX rosin press machine. Built for mobile rosin extraction. Take control of your own extraction process. The technique is a relatively new way to transform the plant, and by utilizing heat and pressure, it is an all-natural way for consumers to make their own oil. Simply put, take your flour, put it in a filter bag and in between parchment paper, then apply heat of approximately 215 F and at least 500 psi of pressure for 60 seconds, and that's it. You've created a completely solventless extract. This small machine can generate 1 ton of adjustable pressure pressing force. Portable and lightweight, only 10 pounds. Perfect for herb drying and oil extraction process. Intelligent LCD display, thermostat controller and accurate temperature control. Pressure adjustment convenient and flexible. Dual aluminum heating plate. Heating surface is coated with a high temperature resistant anti-sticking layer for easy cleaning and oxidation.